Hello everyone.
Welcome to KK Kitchens and Lifestyle.
Okay, today we are going to do a vegetarian special and I'm not going to do a finished product today. What we are going to do today is vegetable stock. So what is the purpose of vegetable stock? Normally you make soup at home and you don't get the perfect taste what you get in the restaurants. So the secret of tasty soups and tasty vegetarian food in the restaurant is vegetable stock. So instead of adding water, if you add vegetable stock into the soup, and this will be much more tastier. The soups will be much more tastier, the noodles what you make will be much more tastier. So you can add it in any vegetable food if you want it to be more tasty. In supermarkets, you also get vegetable stock ready-made, but not in the liquid form, it's in the powder or cube form. So this is the vegetable stock. You get it in a Maggi vegetable stock, and this is a Maggi chicken stock. These stocks are available in the supermarket, most of the supermarkets. And when you make soup, normally I used to add this stock. But it's always better that if you add a fresh and original stock which is made from the real vegetables. So what we are going to show today, or what we're going to do today, is the vegetable stock using all this type of vegetables. And stock is nothing but we cut these vegetables and few spices we put in the water boiling, and we boil it for a very long time, and the essence extracted from the vegetables is called vegetable stock. So when we make a soup, extracted flavors added in the soup, it gives additional taste.
Come on, let's get started in here. You don't wanna miss a thing. Come on, let's get started in here. We're ready to begin.
First we are going to add enough water for boiling. We're not going to fill the water because we'll be adding a lot of vegetables. So water for 3/4 amount of the container. We're switching on the stove. First, before we adding the vegetables, we are going to add a few spices. Going to add a little bit of coriander, whole coriander, a little bit black pepper, a little bit jeera. I'm going to add garlic. I'm going to crush the garlic along with the skin. A little bit of ginger I'm going to slice. Adding it to the water. I'm going to cut the onion. Cut it into big pieces. I'm adding onion. This is a white onion. I'm adding a little bit of cabbage. adding capsicum. All these vegetables are already washed well, so I'm not going to wash now. Only cutting into big pieces because we are just going to extract the flavor from the vegetables. That's all. So adding chili, red chili. I'm going to add a little bit of spring onion. You don't have to remove the roots. I'm going to add the most important ingredient, celery. This has been washed very well. So I'm going to take a little bit of celery leaves. Take the entire leaves of celery.
What are you doing, Vivian?
Spring onion.
If possible, if you get celery, you get celery because celery will give a real flavor to this vegetable stock. If you are not getting it, that's fine. You can do it without celery. And any of these vegetables, if you don't get also, it's not an issue. Whatever vegetables available at home, you can make it. And I got celery today, so I'm going to add the celery as well. Just for flavor, I'm going to add a little bit of curry leaves and this has been washed well, so I'm going to add coriander leaves as well. I'm also going to add a little bit of turmeric in the end. Now we have added all the vegetables in the water, so I'm going to boil it. Once the water boils, then I will keep it in the simmer for around 1 hour. After 1 hour, all the flavors from the vegetables will be extracted into the water, and that will be the stock. So the water with the flavors of vegetables is called stock. So instead of using water in vegetable dishes, we can add the stock and it will give a real flavor and nutritions. The vegetables are boiling very well, and now I'm going to reduce the heat. I'm keeping this in the low heat for 1 hour. I have not added any salt here because this is not the final product. This is the ingredient which will be used for a lot of vegetable dishes. Also, you can use this for any non-veg dishes as well, just to give the taste. And later on, we will see how to make the chicken stock. Okay, the vegetable stock is ready. So this has been boiled for around 1 hour. We're going to change this to another bowl after filtering it. So I'm going to filter it. I'm taking it and dropping it in the sea. don't feel bad about wasting these vegetables, because these vegetables will have no essence, no nutrients of the original vegetable. So everything has come to the stock. So this is just a waste. You can't do anything with that. You can't even cook again these vegetables, because there is nothing in this vegetable. This all will be wasted. You can't do anything. So this is the final stock we have prepared today. So this stock, I'm going to store this stock in the fridge for around 1 week, and frequently I'll be using this stock for preparing soups, vegetable soups, or even chicken soups, or any type of soup, and also the vegetables. Instead of adding water, I'll be adding this stock.
If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.